If you have an older Mac and want to upgrade without using OpenCore Legacy Patcher, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to update your Mac to the last official supported macOS version using Apple recommended method. This way, you will remain supported, secure and stable. For this demo, I will upgrading from macOS Mountain Lion to macOS Monterey. However, if you are running macOS X Lion, Yosemite, El Capitan or Sierra, you can follow the same steps. Before upgrading, it's recommended to update your current operating system. To do this, open System Preferences and then click on Software Update. If there are any pending updates, make sure to install them first. And if your App Store is not working properly, don't worry. This is a common issue with older systems. Some problem you might encounter include your Apple ID not working, App Store icon not appearing, and the App Store only displaying newer versions of macOS that your Mac cannot run. In such cases, consider using a web browser instead of the App Store for upgrades. Open Safari and navigate to the official Apple support page. Link is in the video description. If your version of Safari is too outdated to load the page, you can download a third-party web browser like Firefox ESR or Google Chrome. To find out which browser version is best compatible with your version of macOS, refer to the compatibility guide provided in this video. Once you have installed Chrome or Firefox ESR, you can access the Apple support download page. Please keep in mind, you cannot jump directly from Mountain Lion to Monterey, Catalina or any other modern version of macOS because the gap is too large, which results in an error. The recommended method is to upgrade in two steps. First install macOS El Capitan or macOS Sierra, then you upgrade to Monterey or any other version of macOS. Yes, you could create a bootable USB drive and perform a clean install of Monterey or Catalina, but that's another topic. For now, we will focus on the upgrade method. For this demo, I will download the macOS Sierra DMG file, but you can choose to download any other version of your choice. The good news, you can download installers from Lion to Sierra on any computer, even on Windows, without any issues. Once downloaded, open the DMG file and install the package on your Mac. Within a few seconds, the Sierra installer will appear in your application folder. Now, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to upgrade your Mac to macOS Sierra. Once your Mac is on Sierra, you will notice major improvements. Apple ID now works, the App Store functions correctly, and the Safari is updated and usable again. If Safari still does not perform perfectly, you can install a version of Chrome that is compatible with Sierra. After that, visit the Apple support page again to download the next version of macOS that you need. Please keep in mind, every Mac has a minimum and a maximum version of macOS that it can run, and not all Macs support the latest releases. For example, I have a MacBook Pro from 2015 and its last official supported version of macOS is Monterey. This means I cannot upgrade it to Sequoia, Sonoma or Tahoe. If you are unsure about the maximum macOS version your Mac can run, then go to everymac.com and click on the Lookup tab. Enter your Mac serial number or identifier number. Now scroll down to select your Mac model. On the next page, scroll to the Operating System section. Here you will find the version of macOS your Mac originally shipped with and the maximum version it can officially run. Once you know the maximum version of macOS that your Mac supports, go back to the Apple support page and download that specific version. For example, if your Mac supports Monterey, download macOS Monterey, and if supports Catalina, download macOS Catalina. Don't worry, these steps are the same, just make sure to download the correct version. After downloading, navigate to your application folder and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the upgrade process. Wait for the installation to finish. After a while, your Mac will be upgraded to the latest official supported version of macOS. And that's it. This is the safest and most reliable way to give your old Mac a fresh start without using any patching tools. I hope this guide helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or email me for support. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.